In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to Nigeria using the SendWave app. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth and easy as possible for you. First, open the SendWave app on your device and look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a country flag there. Tap on it to open a list of countries and then select the Nigerian flag from the list. This sets your app to facilitate transfers to Nigeria, so it's crucial to get this step right. Now it's time to fill in some personal information. Enter your name, date of birth, and the purpose of your account. In addition, provide your billing address including your zip code, city, and state. This information helps ensure your account is verified and ready for transactions. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, simply click the Finish button. This confirms your input and moves you to the next stage. As you proceed, you'll be asked to choose the primary reason for making your transfer. Consider your transfer's purpose carefully and select the most appropriate option. This helps with keeping track of transactions for both you and the app. Next up, you'll need to verify your identity, a step that's crucial for securing your transactions. Click on the Continue button to start this process. The app will prompt you to select your country and the document you will use for verification. Make sure the document you choose is valid and current, as this will make the identity verification process smoother. After that, proceed by clicking Continue. This will take you into the verification phase. When you're ready, go ahead and click Start to begin verifying your identity. This may involve tasks such as scanning your ID or taking a live selfie, so make sure you're in a well-lit area to ensure your documents and face are clearly visible. Once you've completed all identification steps, click Done to finalize. After that, start recording your face as prompted. This additional verification step adds an extra layer of security, confirming that the account owner is indeed the person initiating the transfer. After everything is verified, you're all set to send money to Nigeria. Click on the option to proceed with your transfer and you are good to go. With SendWave's interface, the entire process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. A few tips before I leave you to it. Double check all your inputs to avoid any errors and ensure your internet connection is stable during the entire process for uninterrupted service. Thank you for joining me today and enjoy your hassle-free experience with SendWave.